Mehmet apparelist from Turkey. The factory today we visit Shinsu Technology. The reason I went there to see their electronic product like home electronics, vacuum cleaners, window cleaners, etc. But what surprised me, they had a nice surprise, fitness equipment which is very new in the market, and this is a great chance for us to sell something new. So to make a good profit, we should sell something new, not traditional products. The first time I've been to Canton Fair, the year 2002. That was the old Canton Fair complex, which is totally different than today. And the second time was 2004. I was so impressed, like in a short time, how come it improved so fast? Also the airport was changed. And lately, Canton Fair becoming better and better and can find almost everything. What makes me decide to come to Canton Fair is I could find everything. Besides, I could talk to factory representatives. So this was a great chance to talk to a company representative directly. Today I visited 3 factories, and this is the biggest one, and I'm so happy to know this factory, to have contact. I think I couldn't find it by myself. Great chance to find the key contact person to establish a good cooperation. And look at this factory, it's amazing. And what impressed me the most is the bigger and bigger Chinese companies attending the Canton Fair. So there's great chance to meet such good quality companies. I'm very happy to be here today. So with this chance, I had the meeting with several companies, and those are all good companies, I believe, and we're gonna start cooperation soon. And I'm very thankful to the organizer that invited me to this event. One of the products I was searching today was Tracker, and I found this company here, and this was a great chance to be able to talk to company owners. And I could test the samples, and I love it. We're gonna start cooperation with this company. Nowadays, people don't have much exercise. They're all stuck home, especially women in Turkey. They love to stay home with their kids, and they're getting fatter and fatter. And I found a nice product for Turkey market, especially for ladies, lazy ladies staying home, so they can do exercise and keep slim. Canton Fair Global Share.